야, 한국 사람이에요. 야, 코리아예요, 코리아. 야, first time counter Korean drama? First time.
First time.
I'm just following the ways. Yeah, following the ways.
회전입니다.
Yeah, 괜찮아요? Okay?
저 회전입니다.
Okay.
Yes. Following the ways. We're going to
200m.
Caloocan.
회전입니다.
Caloocan, yeah.
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
2 years here? 2 years here? Yeah, 2 years here.
회전입니다.
More Tagalog here, very a lot of Tagalog.
800m.
Kunti Tagalog. Yeah, kunti lang. Yung kunti lang. Yeah, kunti lang. Yeah.
But have you been to places here?
Hmm?
Like tourist destinations,
I like.
beaches?
I want to go Boracay.
Ah,
Yeah, Boracay. Nice place.
nice.
Palawan.
Oh yeah, Palawan. But it's nice there, it's nice.
Oh really? I've been Dolomite. Yeah, only Dolomite. Dolomite Beach. Yeah.
Haven't been to Dolomite Beach though, but it's I heard that it's nice there.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Never.
Oh, you should go there. Very nice place there.
Watch the sunset.
Yeah, the sunset. Very good.
Were you a tourist here before? Then were you a tourist here before? then
Yeah,
eventually-
before.
Ah.
But now I'm planning to build a business here.
Wow. Your business, what kind of business? What kind of business?
It's Pogo. It's Pogo.
Really?
Yeah, Pogo. You know Pogo?
Yeah, Pogo, like, what was that? The casinos, no?
Casino?
Pogo. Online games? Is that-
No.
Oh,
No. Yeah, what Pogo you mean to? Is it gambling?
oh yeah.
Yeah, but my business is not gambling.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah. Pogo. Like this Pogo. Yeah. Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah, this is better than the other one. Yeah, I don't know the English. Quilleg. Yeah, Quilleg, right? Yeah, Quilleg. I have a friend, Pampanga,
Yes.
Pogo Farm, yeah.
And he sells quail.
Yeah, I will, yeah, selling here, Quilleg, yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's not gambling, right?
Yeah, not gambling.
Oh yeah, not gambling.
That's nice.
Yeah. But I live in Seoul before, Seoul.
Oh, it's so.
Seoul. You know Seoul?
Yeah.
Where is Seoul?
In where? What?
Where is Seoul? Yeah, Seoul. I live in Seoul before.
Seoul. Yeah, in
Yeah.
South Korea.
Sultan Kudarat.
So.
Sultan Kudarat. In Mindanao. Yeah, I live there. We now live there. Yeah, you know.
Like that.
Yeah, you know it.
Yeah.
So Sultan Kudarat. Yeah, Kudarat. In Mindanao.
You must have a lot of friends, like funny Filipino
Yeah, actually,
friends who taught you that.
I have a Filipino friend. They're joking to me. Always joking to me. Filipino are very, very funny here. That's why I learned to joke here, Philippine joke here. Yeah. Mhm.
Oh my god. Sopan ko na rin.
Yeah. 그런데, Eren, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Chris.
Hmm?
Chris.
And
Alex.
yeah, 반갑습니다. Yeah, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, 만나서 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you. Yeah.
What was it again?
반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Yeah, 반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Yeah, if you go to Korea, yeah, you can say, oh, 반갑습니다. Yeah, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you.
I know only a few, like a
안녕.
handful of.
Yeah, 안녕하세요. I think.
Korean. Yeah, 안녕하세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah, salamat po.
Salamat po. Yeah.
Yeah, salamat po. Yeah, salamat po.
Salamat po.
But just call me Mr. Pot.
Mr.
Pot.
Pot.
Yeah, Pot.
Pot.
Yeah, Pot.
Pot.
Yeah.
Mr. Pot.
Yeah, Mr. Pot. That's my last name. Last name, yeah, Pot. Yeah.
Mr. Pot.
Yeah. My first name is Jungsu.
Jungsu.
Yeah, Jungsu.
Jungsu. Pot.
Yeah. That's Korean name. Jungsu?
Pot.
Yeah. Pot. Jungsu, yeah, Jungsu.
Who's here?
Hmm?
Jungsu Pot.
In Korea we call it Put Jungsu.
Put Jungsu.
Yeah, it's not, but here, yeah, Jungsu.
Jungsu Pot.
Yeah, yeah. That's my Korean name. Jungsu, my friend, Jongpi. I have friend Jongpi.
Jongpi.
Yeah, Jongpi. Last name, huh?
From
Here.
Korea.
Yeah, he's here now. His name is Jongpi.
Jongpi.
Yeah, Jongpi. Last name Sut. Sut. Jongpi Sut. Jongpi Sut and Jongsu. Po. Yeah, we're friends here in Philippines. Looking for business here.
They have nice names.
Yeah.
They have nice names.
We're near here. 999.
999 miles.
Yeah. And I think it goes turn left. Yeah, turn left there.
Turn left. Yeah. Malapit na. We're close.
What is in Tagalog?
Malapit na. We're near or we're close.
Malapit na. Only I know kanan. Kaliwa. 진짜세요? I don't know.
Derecho.
Yeah, derecho. I know derecho. Yeah.
Derecho.
Salamat po. Yeah, 감사합니다.
Salamat po.
Oh, nice talking to you.
I'm
happy.
Nice
You
having
happy.
with
Yes,
Yes, we are. We're happy. Thank you. This is
Yeah.
unique.
Oh, unique.
Unique grab ride.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we can. And another left turn.
Yeah, turn left there.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Where?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
straight. Yes.
Oh, straight?
I don't know.
Turn left, turn
left and go straight.
And then
And we'll see the main entrance.
doon na lang sa entrance, no? Doon na lang sa entrance, no? Doon na lang sa entrance?
Saan? Ito Tagalog ba? Tagalog ba yan? Ala ka.
Doon na lang tayo sa entrance.
Yung may pakita yung name ni Kuya sa Grab eh.
Nakita niyo yung pangalan ko sa Grab, sir? So, sino ang na-prank?
Ikaw na-prank.
Siya lang na-prank?
Totoo nga ako sa mga pangalan, sabi pero muntik na ako, Kuya.
Muntik ka nang ma?
Kasi pwedeng sabihin na si Shelbert na gano'n, tapos si Kuya yung...
So, it's a prank.
Jungsu! Oh my God!
So, si sir lang na-prank, no?
Jungsu!
Jungsu! Si Jungsu!
Yung Pogo ang benta.
Ayun, yung Jungsu siya lang. So, actually sir, ako po isang content creator.
Okay.
So, naka-video po tayo. So, ang tanong, okay lang ba isama ko yung sa aking content? Okay lang ba?
Sige po.
Okay lang,
po
yay!
Okay
So,
lang po.
wait, bibigyan ko ng sticker para hindi niyo ako makalimutan. Ito po ako.
Follow ka na.
Ayan, follow niyo ako sa aking Facebook, YouTube. Ayan, may bago na akong sticker, ang dami guys.
Ay,
Ayan.
sige po.
So, ako yung, pero may napapanood na po kayo na ganito, nagko-Korean prank sa Grab, sa sasakyan. Wala. Hindi kayo mahilig sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa TikTok.
Mahilig po,
Pero hindi lang lumabas siguro yung video ko sa ano, you know, so ngayon, lalabas na yan palagi kasi magpapalo na kayo.
Inisip ko, para sa kayo, bakit kaya nag-prank? Nagpa-process yung isipan ko eh. Sabi ko, ano meron? Tatanong na.
Actually po, pag naka-Grab Pay, naka-Gcash, binabalik ko yung pamasahe. Kasi it's a free ride. Yes.
Hindi nga po.
Yes, sir.
Salamat.
Yay!
Thank you po. Maraming
Yan.
salamat po.
Welcome po. Kasi
Thank you.
pag mga, halimbawa, naka-cash or naka-Grab Pay, nililibre ko talaga ng pamasahe. So pag Grab Pay, binabalik ko yung yung pamasahe nila.
Okay. Maraming
Ayan.
salamat po ng malaking tulong
Welcome po.
Sabihin namin to sa mga...
Ayan. Baka may, ayan, ito, isa-shoutout nyo yung mga friends ninyo.
Shoutout kay Pat, kay Kat.
Yan.
Pat Angelo, hello.
Oh.
JMC, Archangel's family. Ang galing ng accent.
Yeah, thank you po.
Sabi ko kakaiba to, ngayon lang ako naka-experience.
First time nga.
Maraming
Thank you po. Yan. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.
Thank you po. Enjoy po yung dalaw. God bless. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Power kuya.
Thank you po.
Subscribe kami dyan.
Yan. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Content tayo ngayon. Masaya lang. Masaya lang. Yes.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Anyong haseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat. Seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nan walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang ng wonder. Anyong haseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang ng wonder. Anyang maseo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.